Hi everyone, this is a collective read for the people who are not in contact with their person, and this is for all signs. This is a collective read. We will see your partner's energy towards you and will they take action towards you? What are their feelings for you now? What are their intentions? So, we will see all that stuff in this reading. If you are not communicating with your partner, so yes, yet you feel that connection with them, so this reading is for you. Let's see. Let's see their energy towards you for the month of December. Okay, we have Ace of Swords. They want to talk to you, collective. They want to communicate. And I'm also getting they want to confess some kind of truth. Maybe they were very closed off. They were very guarded. They were protecting their heart. They were also scared. This person could be commitment phobic or could be having a fear of heartbreak. But I do feel maybe people have hurt them in the past, but I do feel like they have their eye on you and they want to talk to you. They feel you are working hard on something. Maybe it's about your work, it's about your life, but you are working hard and you are holding back. You are not talking to them and you have your attention somewhere else. You are not very. And you are having a new beginning in your life. They do want to have a new start with you, collective, but they feel your attention is somewhere else right now. Maybe you are very focused on having a new connection with someone else, on communicating with others. Okay, let's see. I do see an ending here. You guys could be having some arguments, like ugly fights, and now they feel you are very focused on something else, and could be possible for some of you that you are very focused on someone else. This is their perspective, and you have your eye on a new beginning in your life. You are ready to take that leap of faith. They want to talk to you. They think about you. For very some of you, I'm getting your partner wants to give you some kind of gift, but they are also reading your old chats, or they want to talk to you. They are looking at your pictures as well, I'm getting here, but could be dealing with someone who is very traditional, or you are very spiritual and your partner is not. Whatever it is, this person wants to commit to you, this person wants to talk to you, and they are thinking about reaching out to you, but they feel very conflicted in their emotions. They also feel there is a lot of competition. Maybe you have options, or maybe this is just in their mind that they have a competition, you have someone else now. I'm also getting here, collective, like your partner don't want to get into those arguments and disagreements again, so they are thinking a lot what to say to you when they are going to reach out to you. But I do feel for most of you, like your partner will communicate, your partner will send you a text or call, because this is communication. This could be a long distance relationship, and could be possible that they are going to travel towards you so that you guys can spend Christmas or New Year together. But I did say traveling, and here it is, Eight of Wands. Expect communication and expect some good time together, collective. I have the Lovers card here. I do see if this person is reaching out to you this month, you guys will make out. This is what I'm getting here, and someone here is manifesting that. So it could be you, it could be your partner, but I do feel if you're feeling that intense urge to be with your partner, to get intimate with them, just know this person is doing that. Like they are thinking about you a lot, so they are sending you that vibe. But expect communication from this person. They do want to travel towards you, they do want to reach out to you. And I do feel for some of you, like this person, either they live in another country or another city, but I do see a long distance here. And I'm also getting they want to be with you. They see you as someone like you are like a high maintenance right now. You are very attractive to them because you are taking care of your life. You're very focused on your finances. Yes, you are not talking to them and they are acting detached as well, but I do feel they think about you a lot. They are still stuck to you. They show it or not does not matter. They are still stuck to you, and things could be very stagnant between you guys for 8 weeks or 8 days. Could be anything. 8 months could be. Exactly, you guys are obsessed with each other, but I do feel someone here could already be married in this connection, but I do see a third party situation here, and this is not necessarily a third person. For most of you, I'm getting like this could be a just a situation. This person could be having some kind of addiction, and it could be anything. Like this person likes to go in parties a lot, they don't give you time, blah blah blah, like stuff like that. I'm also getting here like could be possible this person drinks a lot and you don't like it. For where some of you, I'm getting you could be very spiritual and this person could be having some unhealthy attachments, like maybe it could be sex, it could be alcohol, it could be non-veg, it could be anything. So you don't like that, I feel. But they definitely are very attracted towards you and they do want to sleep with you. This is what I'm getting here, collective. They definitely want to clear things out with you and start this again, and they are ready to fight for you. They are ready to compete for you if you have options, or if this is just in their mind that you have options. They are ready to compete for you. For now, I feel this person is scared and little defensive of his or her heartbreak, but they are stalking you. They have their eye on you, and they don't want to get involved in the situation because they are afraid of those arguments again. And but now they will take action towards you, I feel, because they do want to be with you. This is going to be very unexpected that this person is going to take action towards you, but I do feel for now they are very focused on their finances, on their stability, and they are in their ego. They have pride too. Could be possible like this person has played mind games with you. This person is very mysterious. This person is very silent right now, but they are going to listen to their intuition. Yes, they are in their mind right now, but they are going to get free from that trap and they will listen to their intuition. They will follow their heart and things will work out between you guys. But if you have any doubt what this person is up to right now, they are very focused on their work. They are very focused on their finances. And for very some of you, I'm getting like this person is doing that to forget you. They don't want to think about you, but they do. And I'm also getting like they don't like it that they when they feel stuck to you, they don't like it. They don't like it that they are obsessed with you. You are on their mind 24/7. They want to be free from this energy, I won't lie, but maybe this is why they are very focused on their work and finances, but they still think about you. They cannot help it because they feel you are moving on and they cannot take it. You are holding back and they cannot take it. They feel you have options, they can't take it. This is what I'm getting here. And eventually this person will reach out to you. I feel there will be a growth in this connection. Yes, this person is trying to focus on his life and work, but they want to reach out to you and express their love. Could be dealing with a Scorpio or any air sign, could be any sign though, but I feel this person acts very detached and cold towards you and is very money focused, could be alcoholic as well, but I do feel like your partner I forgot the message. Okay, your partner is unable to express his emotions to you, and not only now, but this is their personality. They have emotions for you, and in the past they really loved you, but they could not express it in words or through their actions. So could be dealing with someone who acts a little cold, but they have a lot of emotions for you. But something is going to happen here, collective, and I do feel things have ended between you guys because someone has cheated on you or someone has betrayed you. But I feel this person is feeling very heavy because of that, and they don't know what to write to you. They do want to text you, call you, reach out to you. They are wishing to be with you. They are missing the past and they feel you are very innocent. But I do feel this distance, this separation is going to end eventually, and this person is guilty of his actions, if especially if he has done wrong to you. And eventually I have a sun card, so yes, expect this person to clear things with you, but I do feel they are going to take their time because they do want to travel towards you. But the issue is they feel you are moving on, and this is why they are keeping that distance from you. They have their eye on you. They are very focused on their finances and stability right now. I do feel this person is very focused on his family as well, but he has his eye on you, and eventually they will take action. They are very restless over you at this time. Could be possible that you are missing this person. Someone here is feeling very distant. Could be possible both of you are feeling very distant right now, but there will be a movement, but it will be a very slow movement. I won't lie, it will be a very slow movement. Even if this person reaches out to you, there will be a very slow movement between you guys. Or maybe for some of you this is a present energy, that things are not moving forward, and eventually there will be a justice. Things will work out between you guys, and there will be a communication. I have a Princess of Wands here. I do feel this person is at a distance from you. And you guys were very hurt when it ended. Could be a third party situation. I do see a cheating here for some of you, like this person has disappointed you, has made you upset. But there will be a new beginning eventually in this connection, because I have Ace of Wands here for the final card. So yeah, passion is still there between you guys, I feel, but they are very attracted towards you sexually. This is for sure. Take care of yourself, collective. I do feel the spirit is asking you to just do you, and you are going to attract this person. The distorted feminine, maybe in the past you were very upset and disappointed because of this person and you were waiting for them, but now you are taking care of yourself. And for those of you who are still waiting for this person and crying for this person, the spirit is asking you to just focus on your life. Just you will attract this person. Because if you are in that energy where you are just crying for this person, you are pushing this person away. Knowingly or unknowingly, you are doing that. So don't wait for this person, just focus on your life. I just need one card, Spirit. A personal issue reaches resolution. Take time to breathe out. I told you, just focus on your life. Don't cry for this person. Don't wait for this person, because this is going to happen. Eventually, a personal issue reaches resolution. So they will reach out to you. The things will work out between you guys. Don't let pride get in your way. So if you both are in your ego right now, at least allow yourself to come out of that energy and don't let your pride get in your way. But this is going to happen. This is what I'm getting here. We have a justice in the outcome. So yes, things will work out. I feel you will get justice. Let's get messages from your person. Maybe in the past you were just an option for them, or they were very confused. Now they're telling you, I know what I want now and I want you. I really appreciate whatever you have done for me. Your face haunts me day and night. I'm dying to see you again. A part of me still believes that we will end up together. I keep myself busy so that I don't think about you. Yet, at the back of my mind, I miss your presence. Your absence is killing me. I told you this person is very focused on his work because he don't want to think about you. I am scared to lose you because I know I won't find someone like you. I know I messed up everything and ruined our connection, but please understand I was hurt. I have cried for you. I wish you could give me some time to explain myself. At the bottom we have, I keep reading our old chats and miss the old days. I did mention in this reading, I feel like this person is reading the old messages. I hope it, yes, I did mention in this reading only. Okay, so this was a reading. I hope it helped. Thank you so much for watching, collective. Bye bye and take care.